All right, it's early morning in Jahally Pacharr. What you're looking at is the 210 rice field, and beyond that is the 841, which is also not a great premium rice. That one, my wife really loves the 841. And if you tell Musa Dabo 841, he'll tell you, oh man, that's a beautiful rice. So you are looking at some of the most beautiful variety of rice in the Gambia. So let's appreciate. Now take a look all the way down there. As you can see that guy. That's Abdullah Boy, the manager. He's out and he's making sure the birds are not sucking up the milky rice itself. We are waiting for the rest of the staff. They're a little bit late. So he's doing all he can to make sure that the rice is not eaten by the birds. Now that's a dedicated worker right there. He's committed and he's been doing a great job. So bravo to Abdullah Boy right there. Right to my right, all the way over there, you hear that machine running. That's the long-term employee, Sana. Sana has been here with me throughout the fight since we started. Working on 4 hectares now. We are doing 43 hectares. He's getting the field ready for transplanting. We will be transplanting 2 hectares today. He's also another dedicated worker.